Hey, it's Blake with FilterTime. I'm here to tell you about finding out what size air filter you need for your home. So at FilterTime, a really common question is, what size filter do I need? And there's a couple different ways for you to figure it out. The easiest one is take out the filter that's already in your unit, in your return, and read right what it says in the filter. In this case, it's a 20 by 20 by 1 filter. That's the nominal size. The actual size is 19.5 by 19.5 by 3/4. If there's not anything written on your current filter, you just take a tape measure, measure the outside of the filter, 19.5 by 19.5 by 3/4. Now, if you just moved in your house and you have no filter, and you're looking at this and like, what size filter do I need? You're gonna measure the return. There's a little lip here. You wanna measure in front of the lip because that's what the filter lays against. And inside of the return, so it's 19.5 by 19.5. And we know this is a 1-inch filter. So right here at FilterTime, our 20 by 20 by 1 filter is exactly 19.5 by 19.5. And fits just perfect.